Hi guys, we're at Grangemouth for the siren test. Let's just hope we can hear the sirens and they haven't been cancelled due to Valentine's Day. It's a bit loud up here. Oh! Right. Hope we heard that well. That was amazing. Well, let's just hope we get a good pulse. Sounded as if there was a hornman in there somewhere. There's a lot of security, we better put the phone down. There's an on-site hornman right there, you can't see it, but
Is that record that?
and they put your phone down. Trying to cross the road. Oh! There you go guys, that was the siren test for today. I hope you enjoyed that siren test. I enjoyed it myself, and I'm going to show you a little on-site horn. Let's hope that the security don't see us, but you can actually see her. Or is it behind the bloody furnaces? And I'll put a picture at the end of the video when I've got time. But thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that test. Well, that was amazing. So, bye guys, I'll see you soon.